Hi guys, welcome to How to Crack the Java Interview. Today we will discuss some of the important core Java question asked by the interviewer in TCS Infosys interviews. Okay, what are these? First question is interface contain static method or private method? Is interface contain static method and private method? What is the answer? What is the answer? Answer is is in Java interface contain static method and private method. Second one, can you please explain why interface why interface contain static method? First will you explain in which version of Java introduced that static method. Actually, before Java 8, there was no static method in interface. No static method in interface. In Java 8, in Java 1.8, in Java 1.8, interface content. Java people introduce static method inside the interface. Then 1.8 interface contain contain static method in Java 1.8 interface contain static method. Then is private method also possible to write inside the interface? Yes. Java people introduce that private method in 1.9. 1.9 in Java 1.9 interface also interface contain interface contain private method. Then then what is the next question? Explain why interface contains static method. Why interface contains static method? Actually, static is nowhere related to the object. Static is nowhere related to object. Our question is why interface contains static method. Why you cannot go for the class from Java 8 onwards? You can able to write static inside the class, but why they are introduced? Because static is nowhere related to object. Static is nowhere related to the object. And and in Java, class and interface, who is lightweight? Who is lightweight? Actually, interface is lightweight because interface does not contain constructor, does not contain static block, does not contain instant block, does not contain cannot create also object of the constructor, object of the interface. So that interface is lightweight, no here related to object, static also no here related to object. That's why Java people think that we can introduce static method in interface, then it will improve the performance of the application. Just example, in your home you want to cook, means for cooking purpose you want to cook. If you'll hire if you'll hire an engineer, that is stupid things na. Because of that only here you are using static method that is nowhere related to object. If you go for the object, then object creation is costly, and object creation is costly in class, that is a heavyweight. Then Java people introduce the static method inside the interface. And second one, why private method? Why private method? Why private method introduce in interface? Private method. Actually, private method introduced in interface, that is used for reusability property. That is for reusability. You can reuse that method inside the interface. You cannot access outside of the interface. Then next question. C. Next question. How to call static method? How to call static method? Static method in implementation class. Implementation class. How to call static method? Interface static method. How to call interface static method? Interface static method inside the implementation class. Actually, you can call the static method by using the interface name. By using the interface name, you can call the static method inside the implementation class. Okay, we'll go to the next question. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means one name, many form. One name, many form. Polymorphism also two types of polymorphism. One is the static polymorphism, another is the dynamic polymorphism. One is the static polymorphism, one is the static polymorphism. Static polymorphism, polymorphism, it's polymorphism. Second one, dynamic, dynamic polymorphism, dynamic polymorphism. Dynamic polymorphism, static polymorphism, dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism is called overloading, dynamic polymorphism called overriding. What is overloading? In overloading, method name same, argument must be different. Argument must be different. Actually, argument must be different in overloading. Just example, overloading you can do by two way, by changing the number of argument, and another is by changing the data type. How? Just m1 is a method. I have int a comma int b. I need to override another method m1 in my class. I can pass int a comma int b comma int c. By changing the number of argument, I can overload. Okay, then that is allowed. Then second one, by changing the data type. By changing the data type, how can override? You can write a method m1 int a comma long b. That is also allowed. That is also allowed. That is allowed. That is allowed. And by changing the number of argument also allowed in interface. In polymorphism, static polymorphism. Then if you change the return type, what will happen? If you change the return type, overloading is not possible by changing the return type. Only if you change the return type, then it will give the compile time error. It will give the compile time error by changing return type. By changing return type, overloading is not possible. It's not. It's not possible because it will give the compile time error due to the ambiguity. It will give the compile time error. It will give compile time error. Compile time error. It will give the compile time error. It will give the compile compile time error, okay, due to the ambiguity. Then second one is dynamic polymorphism. Dynamic polymorphism is overriding. 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 First is method name must be same. Method name must be same. Same. Second one is argument must be same. Return type also same. Third, return type also same. Type also same. But but from Java 1.5 onward, Java 1.5 onward, Java 1.5 onward, covariant, covariant return type also allowed. Covariant return type also allowed. Return type, covariant return type means parent class return type, child class return type are both parent child relationship means f- object and string. Object and string. If you return parent class object, parent class method object, then child class method string, then both can override because parent child relationship. But from before Java 5, three conditions should be satisfied: method name same, argument same, return type also same. Then we'll go to next question. What is the next question they asked in interview? What is map and flat map? What is map? Actually, map is a map and flat map both are the intermediate methods, intermediate operation in stream API. These are called also pipeline method. What is map? Map is a function. It will take input as a stream and return a single value. Return a single value. Map operation will return a single value. Flat map. Flat map is the intermediate method in stream API. It will take input as a stream and it will return a stream of a value. It will return the stream of a value. And map is used for the transformation only. Map is used for transformation only. But flat map is the combination of a map and flat operation. Flat map is a combination of map and flat operation. And flat map is used for both transformation and flattening. It is used for both. Flat map is used for both transformation and flattening. It is the combination of map and flat map combination of map and flat operation. Both are intermediate operation pipeline method in stream API. The next one, fourth one is very important question. What are the method added in string API? String API in Java 1.11. In Java 11. Java 11. First one. First one is blank. It's blank. Is blank method is added in the Java 1.8, Java 11. It will return if it will return true. It will return true. It will return boolean value. It will return true or false. It will return true if string is empty. String is empty. String is empty or contain contain only space. If it is contains only space mm, or empty, uh, then it will return true. Then What is the next method? Next method is lines. Next method is lines. It will it will return a stream of lines. It will return a stream of line extracting from string. It will return the stream of line. Stream of line. Return stream of line. Stream of lines. Stream of lines extracted from the string separated by terminator such as slash and slasher. Third one, then third one, that is second one, third one is strip method. It is strip method. Strip method, it is used to remove the white space. It is used to remove the white space from the string. Fourth one, fourth one is fourth one is repeat of a repeat method. Repeat repeat of n string dot repeat of int n means it will repeat the same string. It will concatenate the same string n times means n number of times. Actually, these are the new method introduced in Java 11. Then we discuss. Then some of other questions also there. We'll discuss in next topic.